Alright, Brandon.
Alright, so we're going to start off this series of energy transformations by hitting this pool ball with a pool stick, which will give it kinetic energy, which will make it move. And when it moves, it'll hit this pool ball, which does work on it and gives it kinetic energy. It will go up this ramp. It will hit this book, do work on it, give it kinetic energy, which will start a domino effect, thus hitting this book, doing work on it, giving it kinetic energy, and so on until we get to this book. And this final book right here hits this book, which is staying on a ledge, so it has gravitational potential energy. And when it's hit, it falls down, gets kinetic energy, does work on the string, which is doing elastic potential energy, which will be transferred to this book right here, which will give it kinetic energy. It will fall, tip over, hit the golf ball, do work on it, give it kinetic energy. It will go down the ramp, and then it will hit the pool ball, which will do work on it, give it kinetic energy, and it'll go down this little ramp right here, which will then hit this pool ball. And that'll do work on it, give it kinetic energy. It'll hit the grenade, which has gravitational potential energy, do work on it, give it kinetic energy. And then it'll do work on this string, which has elastic potential energy, holding down the bridge. And then it'll fall or be released upwards, and it'll release the pool ball, which will give it kinetic energy, which will hit this train over here on a little track, which will give it, will do work on it, and that'll give it kinetic energy. And it has gravitational potential energy, so it'll fall like the last bridge, and it will do work on the string, which has elastic potential energy, holding this bridge down. And we'll release the pool ball, which will give kinetic energy, and it'll go down this ramp right here. And then it'll hit this pool ball right here, do work on it, give it kinetic energy. It'll move, they all have gravitational potential energy, they're on a ledge. So it'll move, it'll do work on this pool ball, which will give it kinetic energy, which will make it move, which will do work on this pool ball, which will give it kinetic energy, which will move, which will do work on this pool ball by hitting it. Once again, give it kinetic energy, and then hit this pool ball right here, the final one. Do work on it, give it kinetic energy. And we'll go down this final little ramp sequence, hit the bag of cereal we have over there, do work on it, give it kinetic energy, it has gravitational potential energy right here. The cereal will fall into the bowl, and thus we have a bowl of cereal.
Take 38. That is Fernando. That is Brandon. That is my dad, providing an extra camera angle. And this is me. Okay.